So this is the murder weapon?
It wasn't murder.
Attempted murder?
It was an attempted murder.
Well, you succeeded, but it's not like you meant to.
You know I can't handle spice. You know this. And you just left it there.
Don't try to implicate me. I didn't think you would eat it.
Oh, you knew what you were doing.
I was saving it for later.
You weren't saving shit. You just left it there.
Both of you, shut the fuck up. Now I need to know what happened here. Currently, we have a dead body in our break area that Wilson wants to go away.
At worst, it's manslaughter?
I didn't slaughter anybody.
Well, not you, but the chicken did.
How did a fucking drumstick kill Charles?
Well, that's easy.
What are you? A drumstick hitting someone in the temple is not going to kill them.
Mass times acceleration equals force. Newton's second law of motion.
How do you know that, Captain Biology?
What do you mean? How do you not? What do you mean by biology?
Can you two please focus? You're telling me that a drumstick to the temple killed Charles?
No, it was after he was hit.
Who threw the drumstick?
Wasn't exactly thrown, really.
Scott can't handle spice.
Look, forget I asked. I think we can work this out. We just need to explain. It was an accident.
Yeah. Charles was in the break room when he slipped on some chicken grease.
No. Wagyu chicken grease.
What?
It's more slippery.
There's no such thing as Wagyu chicken.
Sure there is. It's Japanese chicken.
That's beef. Idiot.
So what do they call chicken in Japan?
Then just call it chicken.
I'm gonna need the two of you to shut all the fucking way up right now. Now here's the story. The two of you walked into the break room.
Oh my God! Charles slipped in Wagyu chicken grease!
No! Stop!
What? So it's regular chicken grease then?
There is no chicken grease. Currently, there's a dead body in our break room that Wilson wants dealt with now. If you two idiots can't get it together, I'm gonna end up dealing with 3 dead bodies.
Shit. Somebody else died?
I wasn't even responsible for the first one, let alone.
Stop talking! If you guys can't get it together, I'm gonna murder both of you. Beat you to Wilson's pigs, you understand? Currently, we have a plausible explanation as to how Charles died. We just need to agree on the details. Two of you walked into the break room and saw the body. There's no chicken grease. There's no extra details. No nothing. Just dead body. I'm a sociologist. How did I get into this mess?
Their body? Who died?
Charles?
Oh, hey, sorry, Chris.
Christopher. You know, Mr. Schick is fine.
Okay, Mr. Christopher, if I'm not biting in, could I talk to you for a minute?
I cannot wait. What about?
I think I slipped in some Wagyu chicken grease.
It's called regular chicken grease.
Now, who can tell me what went wrong in this situation?